Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video I will show you in Windows application how to read Excel data into datagridview control. And this is the Excel file I want to display on the datagridview control. And see here we got the output. The Excel data is binded into the datagridview control. If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates. For this video tutorial, I have created a new Windows application which contains a Form 1 design page. Let's expand this Form 1 design page. Now when we want to read the Excel data into datagridview control, first we need to add the proper DLL libraries into our project references folder. Open Solution Explorer. I'm expanding the references folder. Notice there is no any Microsoft Excel DLL library. So let's add the DLL library of the Microsoft Excel. Right click the references, add reference. In the reference manager, the fourth option is a COM. Expand that one. Come to the bottom, search for the Microsoft Office. Here the Microsoft Excel 14.0 object library. Select the checkbox, click OK. Notice the Microsoft.office.core and Microsoft.office.interop.excel, both DLL libraries are added into our project references folder. Now let's add the datagridview control. Go to Toolbox. I'm expanding the data folder, datagridview. Double click the Form 1. It will generate the form load event. Let's add the namespaces using system.io, using system.data.oldb, and the last one using Microsoft.office.interop. In the form load event, I'm adding the OLEDB connection. My connection is equals to new OLEDB connection at between double quotes provider is equals to Microsoft.ace.oldb dot, the version is 12.0, semicolon, data source is equals to, between single quotes, adding the location of the Excel file, and that Excel file is on my desktop. This is the file. Let's open this file, and this is the Excel file I want to display on the datagridview control. Let's add this Excel file location path in the data source. Right click the Excel file, properties, the location is this one, copy that one, I'm pasting here, slash, I'm adding the Excel file name, which is the Excel file. I'm copying the Excel file, and the file extension is this one. And third property, I'm adding the extended properties is equals to, between single quotes, Excel, the version is 12.0, semicolon, I'm adding the header SDR is equals to S, semicolon. That's it. Next, I am adding the OLEDB adapter, data adapter. ODA is the object, new OLEDB adapter, which takes two parameters. One is a select command, select start from. I'm creating a temporary sheet $1, and the second parameter is the connection object, which is my connection. Dataset ds is equals to new dataset. The next step is ODA.fill method. I'm filling with the dataset. And next I'm adding the data source to the datagridview control. Datagridview 1.dataSource is equals to ds.tables 0. And the last I'm closing the connection string, my connection.close method. That's it. Let's check the results. Start. And see here we got the output. The Excel data is binded into the datagridview control. That's it.